Valentine Day, a perfect occasion to express the love and feeling to the person whom you love the most. Hello everyone, if you are new, welcome. I'm Dipti and I post recipes on my channel every week. So do check it out my channel, the link is in the description box below. If you like the recipes, please consider to subscribe my channel. So for today's Valentine treat, we are going to make hot chocolate hearts. And we are also going to team it up with chocolate coated strawberries, which is perfect for it. Watch the video till end and I will also show you how to make a cute little gift box with the things you have already in your house. And you don't have to rush outside. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. I like to read your comments. So please guys, don't forget. I have here some melted white chocolate and dark chocolate. Well, for the dark one, I have taken 1 part of D45 chocolate, which is slightly bitter, and 2 part of sweet chocolate. Now the combination is up to you, how you want to adjust it. But I personally prefer this ratio. Now to melt the chocolate, I have used double boiler method. You have to put the chocolate bowl over the hot water bowl. Make sure that the water is hot and not boiling. Otherwise the chocolate might burn. And within few minutes the chocolate will melt. It is called tempering of chocolate. This process gives shine to the chocolate and it also enhances the flavor. Now I have here a geometric heart-shaped silicone mold which is easily available everywhere. I have cleaned it properly and now we will pour in the chocolate. Take around 1 or 1/2 tablespoon of chocolate, pour in and spread it to the sides. Basically we are making a thick coat. Make sure that you really coat the sides up to the top like so. This is a single coat. After keeping it into the fridge, I will make the second coat so that the sides get thick and firm. Here a tip. Let the melted chocolate come to the semi-thick consistency. If it is too runny or liquidy, it will not coat the sides, and if it is too thick, it will not hold the shape. So semi-thick consistency will do the job well. Now similarly I am making the white chocolate filling. Spread carefully and gently. Now I am gently scraping the excess chocolate with the knife to get smooth edges. Now keep the mold in the freeze for 15 minutes and then I will do the second coat. The mold has been chilling into the fridge since 15 minutes. I did a second coat of chocolate, mainly focusing around the sides, and then again kept it into the fridge for more 15 minutes. So now finally it's time to unmold them. You have to be so careful and gentle while popping them out. To bring them out, first loosen the sides by stretching it like so and then gently push up from the bottom. And there you are. It comes out so easily and look at the shape and shine. The shine is because of the silicone mold. Now our chocolate hearts are done. Let's fill in the hot chocolate mix. Hot chocolate mix is easily available in the market. I am adding a generous amount. And now take the another heart. Just put it on a warm plate or pan for 2 to 3 seconds. Remember, the pan should be warm and not hot so that the edges will become even and the melted chocolate will act like glue. Now join both parts carefully and seal the joints by your fingers. And it's done. Maybe some heart will become damaged or you might get broken hearts while unmolding them, but that's fine. It's pretty obvious. It happens. You can again melt the broken pieces and can use it again. So don't worry about it. Now the fun part. Let's decorate. Here it is totally a personal game. I am just showing you my way of decoration, but it's totally up to you how you want them. You can keep it simple as it is. Here I have some melted white chocolate. Into that I am adding some pink food coloring. For chocolate, you must use gel color. Don't use powder or water based color, otherwise the chocolate will curdle. For chocolate, gel color is must. Now mix and add more if you want more bright color. And then fill it in a piping bag. Similarly, I have prepared the white chocolate cone also. Now be creative and do as you wish to. To avoid the mess, just line any parchment paper, butter paper or even aluminum foil underneath. Well, I have here some red and pink hearts which are super cute. I am tucking them at the other side like so. I have some strawberries here. I have washed them and also pat them dry. Some melted chocolate and some toothpicks. Now poke the toothpick into the strawberry and we will dip the strawberries into the melted rich chocolate. Dip, swirl and bring out. And put it on a lined parchment paper. The chocolate will drip like this. Trim it while decorating. I already have white chocolate in piping bag, so I am decorating the strawberries with white chocolate. Now I am painting one strawberry with golden color. It's edible golden color. Into that I have added a little bit of butter to make it liquidy. Don't add too much butter, otherwise the taste will be ruined. Now when the chocolate gets settled, I am taking a rectangle box lined with silk cloth. Again, you can present as per your choice. On the cloth, I am arranging a small branch of leaf and then I am arranging strawberries. And our chocolate strawberries are done. I find this mug in a local store in my city. I think it's super cute. It's perfect for my husband because he likes simple white mugs. So let's arrange the gift box. I found a small box at my home and I wrap a gift wrap paper around it and it turned out as a cute box. I placed a velvet cloth inside the box. I think velvet gives it richness. Our hot chocolate hearts are ready. They look so pretty. A perfect Valentine treat. Now I am wrapping them in a transparent bag and will tie it with satin ribbon. And finally we will arrange the gift box.